Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. As you have seen the thumbnail, in today's video we are going to tell you some earning opportunities with the help of which you can earn a lot of money sitting at home. Yes, you heard it right, where many people are not able to earn that much money even while doing 9 to 5 duty. Opposite, you can earn 10 times or even more money. For that you are watching till the end of the video, and you have not liked the video yet, so like the video and also subscribe the channel. Number 1, freelance writing. Sell your words. Countless Americans, from high school and college students to retirees, earn extra income from freelance writing. If you have a way with words, writing blog articles and web copy is an easy and fun way to pad your full-time income. Getting your foot in the door as a freelance writer is difficult but doable. Freelance writing jobs abound at the lower end of the pay scale, both on general-purpose freelance platforms like Upwork and writing-only portals such as Textbroker. While the writing opportunities on these platforms are often monotonous, lots of product descriptions, ad copy, and press releases, and doesn't pay well at all, it'll help you learn what editors expect from freelance writers and sharpen your writing skills in the process. As you gain experience and confidence in the freelance writing trenches, stretch out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to ratchet up your freelance writing rates, draft freelance contracts to protect yourself from unscrupulous clients, and send queries to the sorts of publications where you'd be proud to see your byline. Rejection is a fact of the freelance writing game, no matter how talented you are, but if you're persistent, you'll hear yes more often than you expect. Number 2, question marketplaces. Sell answers to people's questions. The internet is full of questions. If you're knowledgeable and unbiased, you could earn money by answering them. Online question marketplaces pay verified experts to answer questions posed by community members. If you're particularly knowledgeable about a specific subject or discipline, you could earn a respectable side income simply by sharing your factual insights. One of the most reputable and lucrative online question marketplaces is JustAnswer. JustAnswer's verticals include health, home improvement, cars, law, business, tech, pets, and homework. For most verticals, you need relevant official credentials such as a law or accounting degree. Pay varies by vertical, but seems to be pretty generous. JustAnswer says you can earn $2,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on your subject of expertise. Your work volume depends on the quality of your answers and the volume of questions users are asking, so you may not find as much work as you expect at first. Still, JustAnswer is ripe for multitasking, making it a perfect work-from-home opportunity. Other options include Wonder, which doesn't require formal credentials. Wonder is cagey about how much it pays, but client pricing starts at about $40 per completed query, so it's likely contributors see at least half that figure. However, Wonder appears to have lower question volumes than JustAnswer, limiting your income potential and isn't always accepting new applications. So friends, in today's video we have told you 2 such opportunities with the help of which you can earn money without thinking much and without wasting much time. So let's end today's video with this. If you liked the video, then please like the video and also subscribe the channel.